guys, it's me, Matthew, yay, also, guys, it's welcome back. I go, guys, another, update guys, yay, so yeah, guys, guys, today, guys, it's currently June 19th, 2021, guys, and guys, today we have some breaking news. So guys, so guys, remember in fact at so 90 20 L from our previous is updates, guys, but guys, is became potential tropical cyclone. Oh no, no, freeing, guys, but now it is now tropical low. Storm Claude at oh guys, yes, so guys, so now, guys, we are now at our third storm of a season, guys. It's us, guys. This is also made a landfall. All two, guys. It's in Louisiana, and a two, guys. So, guys, it's right now, guys. It's maximum. So and the winds, guys. It's currently 40 mile per hour winds, guys. So also, guys, is the pressure currently 1,007 millibars. Also currently located at 31.0 north and 89.7 west. So guys, yeah, guys, from movement and it's currently north east, and so guys, and so at 14 mile per hour, guys. Yes, as so guys, it has formed now, guys. So guys, now, guys, we have got Anna, now Bill, and well, Bill, and now quad at. How crazy! Also, guys, but same time, guys, for Pacific, guys, we also got it tropical low. Storm Dolores. It's O2, guys. So guys, that has formed two, guys. So guys, its current maximum sustained winds, guys. So currently 70 mile per hour winds, pressure 990 millibars, currently located at 18.6 north, 103.7 west, and its movement in the it's currently west, guys. It's at 13 mile per hour winds, guys. It's all currently at 13 mile per hours. So guys, so guys, we both have Claude and also Dolores is at the same time in emo too. Okay, guys, so guys, so now, guys, so here is for set Adelaide and imagery, guys, for both of Claude and also Dolores. It's so guys, right now, guys, for both of them, guys, they have made landfall, guys. But right now, Dolores, guys, is currently making landfall, guys. is also guys is fear of weakening too from land and guys is also guys is for quad it at guys it is also bringing down a bunch of clowns so to Georgia to Georgia to guys is also Florida as well too. Okay, guys, it's oh so guys, it's oh now guys, it's oh here it's so now guys, what's the surface? It's oh temperatures so guys, it's oh for both free Atlantic, also a bit in for VO Paul is older Pacific. And go guys, so guys, right now, guys, in the Atlantic, once again, guys, in so warming up, guys, in so for the season and also summer too. It will also same in with Pacific as well two guys, but guys, it looks like sad, and it has gotten a bit colder. I think. Yep. Up. I don't think so, guys. It's also guys. It's now, guys. It's forfeit. Atlantic guys, we are now looking at getting some 30 degrees in Celsius now, guys, for golf and for Caribbean now, guys. So guys, so for quad at guys, so currently over land, guys. So right now, not even well surrounded by sea surface. It's temperatures or so guys, but guys, physics looking like ego to enter back and go to Philippine Atlantic near North of Carolina. Guys, also guys, for Dolores, guys, currently making landfall. Guys, and currently surrounded by 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, guys, so guys, now guys, now guys, physics so now guys fun rack also count on guys so guys right now guys physics it right now guys for all quad at guys it's as of 10 a.m. Guys on Saturday guys it's all currently bringing warnings tropical lows storm warnings in so two portions of the Gulf of coast out also guys so guys so later today later on and guys so physics looking like to begin and moving guys also get down to a tropical depression guys into move so guys so to more of so turn or no you and so guys so also guys so on Monday guys at 7 and a.m. guys so physics looking like guys off of North of Carolina coast also 2 weeks so driving back I go to a tropical low so storm guys also fan guys get back and go to the open Atlantic guys and also move fans guys it's for next few days, guys. It's and Fintern posts also tropical, guys, and could potentially head portions and so of Canada, guys. It's also, guys, right now, guys. It's so fair is currently, guys. It's tropical storm warnings, guys. It's for low for Eastern or no low latency, Anna, guys, Mississippi, Alabama, also Florida, guys, it's also, guys, here it's currently, guys, tropical storm launches, guys. For North Carolina, guys. Okay, guys. It's also, guys. Here is for tropical low. Storm force wind and those beat, probabilities, guys. It's also, guys, right now, guys. It's physics we are for storm it's currently, and, guys, it's also, guys, it's all for chart, guys. It's all fits. It also shows also what percent, guys, you're gonna get for tropical storm for swings and also beat all, guys. So yeah, guys. It's also, yeah, guys. So, guys, Frill, Alabama to South Alpha Carolina, North Alpha Carolina, guys. You guys are looking at like getting 10 to 20%, and those chance, guys, of tropical storm for so winds, and so, guys, and so also, guys, and so for North Carolina, and for North Carolina coast, and some portions of and also a bit of South Carolina, guys. And so, and for the open Atlantic, guys, you guys are looking at getting the 20 to 30%, and no chance, guys, of tropical storm force winds, guys. So also, guys, so same with the open Atlantic, it go to 10 to 20%, guys. So also, guys, so for Canada, guys, you guys are looking at like go find to 20% chance, guys, of getting tropical storm force Earth wind. Okay, guys, so, guys, so now, guys, so here is now, guys, for getting models also for tropical storm Claudette at, guys. So, guys, so also of a model is also, guys, is agreeing, guys, is with if a national hurricane center, but it, guys, is also models also show it's all hitting Canada, guys. Also, guys, it's a bit, guys, show it's maybe potentially hitting the whole Greenland. So, guys, we gotta go keep evil and watch it's all unfit. Okay, guys, it's also, guys, it's so now, guys, it's here is now for peak eagle storm surge forecast. So, guys, first up, guys, it's for mouth alpha of Mississippi River, guys. It's to mouth of Pearl River, guys. It's in the lake on Georgia terrain, and Lake Paz, if I am spelling that correctly, you guys are looking at getting 1 to 2 feet of storm surge, guys, and mouth of Pearl River too. Okaloosa, Walton County line, I think, maybe, I don't know. And Mobile Bay, guys, around here, guys, you guys are looking at getting 2 to 3 feet of a surge, or two guys in guys through Okaloosa Walton County line, if I'm spelling that correctly. Yeah, also Pamela City. Guys, so you guys are looking at 1 to 2 feet for Earth Surge, guys. So also, guys, for North Carolina, guys, for look out, guys, through North Carolina, Virginia border. You guys are looking at 1 to 3 feet, guys, for surge. Okay, guys, so guys, so now, guys, here is now for rainfall forecast for days, so 1 to 3 for tropical storm, Claudette, at guys, so guys, right now, guys, this is what chart, guys. Also, guys, right now we are looking at getting like about so much rain from this, guys. So guys, so for a bit of a Florida Panhandle, guys. Alabama near or Mobile, but not it close. Also, guys, you guys are looking at getting like about 4 to 10 and inches. It's all guys. It's also guys. Fruit. It's all orange slide. You guys are looking at 6 to 10 guys. It's also guys 4 over here guys through Mississippi, in Georgia, and also South Alpha Carolina, guys. You guys are looking at getting 4 to 6 inches, guys. So also, guys, we also have dark or gold green in also light green, but darker green. That's 2 to 4, and for later that's 1 to 2. So yeah, guys, so you guys, so can see how much how inches you guys are getting, guys. Through well, feel free to pause is for video, guys, and look for your area, guys, and also see how much inches, guys, you're gonna get, guys, because guys, this is it's looking like, guys, to be a big egg rainmaker. Storm, guys. Also, guys, and so now, guys, let's go move on now. Okay, guys, so guys, so now, guys, here is so now, guys, for flash flood let's go, guys, for next so 3 days. And so guys, red Edge, guys, it so shows a 20%, which is moderate, guys, for flash flooding, guys, for Montgomery, Atlanta, guys, for some portions of Florida, guys, for Panhandle, also Mississippi, Georgia, guys. It's also, guys, for 10%, guys. It's shows a slight, guys. So guys, it's for so dates like some portions of Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Mississippi, guys, and Alabama, guys, and also, guys, for 5% shows marginal, guys, which shows it for or Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, guys, and also some more dates ain't so too guys ain't so also guys ain't so here is so day one thrill Sunday morning guys so guys it's looking like fat one and moderate Rex so guys ain't so will happen guys and some of a slide in guys and also some of March ago. No guys and guys here is a day two through Monday morning. Guys, so guys, it shows for Georgia, Carolina, and North Carolina for some parts of it, showing a marginal red it's it's so guys it's also for well shows also a slight Rex X so guys it's also guys it shows also some a marginal two guys it's no more moderate guys and moving it's all two guys also, guys, here is a day free through till day morning. Guys, so show some marginal rates. So for some of these, so dates ain't so guys, ain't also some for the codes, oats, and okay, guys, so guys, so now, guys, so here is now, guys, for model intensity guidance, guys, so for tropical storm Irma Claudette at guys. So guys, right now, guys, this is currently guys a tropical. Storm guys. Well, yeah, guys. So it's called well tropical. Storm Irma Claudette. Guys, we are guys. This currently has knots guys of 45 equal to 40 knots it's right now, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, physics looking like guys. So to get all down, guys. So to a depression, guys. Also guys. Someone else also predict that at all this will get at all back and go up, guys. So to a tropical low. Storm guys, insults guys, in some models predict that Fitzel day. Some models will predict Fitzel just be a old depression guys and some models has it all going down. Okay, guys, so guys, so now, guys, so here is now, guys, for NOHHOC track, guys, so for tropical, storm Dolores. It's so guys, we are just gonna do for track and go forfeits, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, right now, guys. Here is for storm right now, guys. So currently, making landfall, guys. As of well 10 a.m. Saturday right now. It's well 12 elf. Well now guys, well, yeah, guys, for so during times it's so central. So yeah, guys, so yeah, guys, so guys, so later on in tonight, guys, this is going to weekend, guys. So so move more towards Earth's land, guys. So what? As what so guys it's all out guys by Sunday guys this is look like ink old to be a remnant and low so yeah guys right now guys fair is all currently tropical low so storm warnings for portions and so of Mexico. I don't know what to eat. So yeah, guys, because that's insane. So yeah, guys, right now, guys, we are so tropical. Our mornings in for Mexico, guys. Us guys in for the same place, guys, where it shows warnings, guys. They show a hurricane in a 1 inch edge 02, guys, because it currently has as 70 mile per hour winds, guys, so close also to a category 1. So yeah, guys, so us guys for us guys they also show all tropical low storm watches for when this will becoming remnant low, guys, well closer to fair. So yeah. Okay, guys. So guys, for next name, guys, for 2021 in Atlantic hurricane season, we have already passed through our first so three names so Anna Bill Claudette at now, guys. So guys, for next name, guys, so it will be Danny, guys, it's also guys, it's after Danny. For next name, guys, it's will be Elsa, guys, yes, guys. For next name, well, after Danny, it's Elsa, guys, he's Elsa from Frozen, guys. Yeah, guys, we have Elsa from Let It Go, from Frozen and after Dan. So yeah, okay, guys, it's also guys for next. So name, guys, it's 04 for 2021 in it's Pacific Eagle Hurricane season, guys. Now, guys, we have now passed through for first so four names. So now, guys, we are now going through the names like that pretty quick. Then, well, Fiat Atlantic, we are one name in my head from the Atlantic. So we have guys for the Pacific. So yeah, guys, but guys, for next name, guys, it will be Henry Q, guys, it's if guys I spelled that correctly, guys, it's also guys, it's after that. For next name will be Felicia. Okay, guys, it's also guys, it's now guys, it's you guys. Well, can I look guys at for satellite imagery. Now, guys, he's us guys, he's they save guys from both of Claude and guys, it's also Dolores. It's so guys, it's fear both of bad and also terrible. Low dorms, so guys, it's also all God and all bless as all you guys, he's old too. Oh, guys, it's all today, guys. I would like go to radio, guys. It's all Philippians and so 4:13, which inch wow. Well, I'll show you guys. So during my previous video, which was a quick egg 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 video, guys, because I was is so busy, guys. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. So guys, so today I would like Inco to read you guys Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ in so who all strengthens and so me. Man. And so guys, so God oh can give if oh you oh drain aim for guys is also oh help you guys so from your own enemies he's all two guys. It's also a pro tech act so you two guys he's all and all times guys also guys he's so guide and oh and so if you guys so forever or also ever two guys. So yeah. Okay, so guys, once again, guys, so God, oh, bless as oh you, guys, also guys, oh, if you guys enjoyed this, it's a video, guys, make sure to that's as make sure to get your name in sorted, and also that's as oh try that like button, guys. Also, guys, make sure to sub up about right well too guys so if you guys want to go support my channel too guys also guys make sure to subscribe and able to my main channel too guys Matthew MB6 and my second channel more Matthew MB6 XXXO too guys so also guys make sure to comment as well too guys so if you guys have any questions so then and so or oh if you guys want to go talk go what it oh ever or guys oh and also guys make sure to turn on the notification bell so you guys it won't even miss as oh I know about it guys and guys make sure to share it's all to your friends and family too as well too guys also make sure to share it's all to people who you know whoa is oh is oh is a currently oh or will be oh and impacts act to buy oh any of them the Dolores is oh or Claude oh guys and guys, it's all stay safe, guys, and God, oh, bless you, guys. Oh, I'll be praying for you guys as well. Two guys, oh, stay safe, guys, and God, oh, bless you, guys, as well. Two guys. Also, guys, thank you so very much, guys, for watching this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.